Welcome to your personal profile settings. This is where you can manage all your key details. First, you'll see your first and last name. These are what you entered when you signed up. Next is your role. This shows whether you're a regular user or an admin. The first person to sign up in your company automatically becomes an admin. Admins have special privileges, like accessing all company settings, managing phone numbers, configuring customer service options, handling billing, and more. They can also promote regular users to admins through the Teams view. Your title is also listed here. This is what your coworkers will see on the Teams list, helping them know who to contact for specific needs, especially if your company has many employees. Below that is your email address. This is the email you used to sign up, whether you entered it manually or signed in through social media. Then, there's the phone numbers section. Here, you can list your personal numbers, like your mobile number, separate from your Sonetel numbers. If your number is verified, it has a check mark next to it, meaning it can be used as your caller ID when making calls through Sonetel. This means you can call from within the Sonetel app, but the person you're calling will see your regular mobile number or another verified number you've chosen. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to make calls using your personal number while taking advantage of Sonetel's centralized call recording and AI call summary functions. These benefits are applied to your regular mobile number, making it easier to keep track of important conversations. You can also add other numbers, like your home landline or another mobile number. To verify these, you'll receive a PIN code via SMS or a call. Once verified, these numbers ensure that you control them, and they can be used for call forwarding. Your team members will also be able to see these numbers in your contact details, making communication smoother. Finally, you can upload a profile picture. This adds a personal touch, allowing your team members and customers to put a face to your name, which can enhance your interactions with them